Currently, many parents try to provide the best conditions for their child to grow and develop. Electronic posters of Znatok expert series will help you and a baby to do it. Designed for children aged 3 to 5 years, it will help your child learn the multiplication table and the alphabet, learn to read, start to learn English, perhaps as a self-study and study with a teacher, or even better, just playing with their parents. The electronic poster token alphabet will help your child to play and learn letters and sounds, learn to make syllables and words, learn fun rhymes to read, and to count from 1 to 33. You do not have to be all the time with the child during classes, endlessly repeating the names of letters. Token alphabet will do everything for you. It will introduce letters, sounds, numbers. It will hold the exam. It even prays for the well-done job. Complaisant electronic alphabet is ready to say the letter as many times as your baby needs. There are 7 modes of operation in the poster. When you click on Izuchenie, study, the poster begins to say all the alphabet, thus introducing it to the baby. When you click on Zvuki, sounds, now clicking on the button next to the letters, you can hear the sound associated with the letter. As you can see, the poster itself tells you what to do. In this case, I clicked on sounds and it told me, press the button next to the letter. I clicked S, P, thus I hear the letters I click on. When you click on Igra, game, the poster offers the image to find a zebra. Here it is. That poster even offers the baby to solve some puzzles. We click on Cifry, numbers. Thus they're even written on the buttons. If a child clicks on, for example, the letter X, 23, then he hears that the letter X is number 23 in the alphabet. In the same way, you can press another button, Stihi, poems. Let's listen to the rhyme about monkeys. On monkeys. You can also click Ekzamen, exam. Here, as you can see, the poster offers to find the letters that the baby has already studied. Also, you can see it praises the baby and offers him to find the next letter. Now you can click on the Pesenka song, and our poster will send a cheerful song about the alphabet. There is adjustable volume control in the poster too. As you can see, minus plus here. The poster is powered by 3 batteries. As you can see, it doesn't occupy a lot of space on the desk. You may also place it on the wall, and there is a special mounting. The electronic poster of expert series combines the high-tech solution, ecological compatibility, and the elegant design. It's easy to use and will help your parents to stop teaching their child.